All right, another great day here at ReveMoto. So let me show you guys the day in life of ReveMoto. So if you guys remember this, yesterday we painted this. It was wood grain before, and the customer wanted to color match it the exact color of their vehicle. So this is like frost white right here for their BMW. And then they had a second pair where they wanted to black it out. So it looks like this. So we do that for our Houston customers. And if you guys wanted your headlights cleared, we do that also here in Houston. But if you guys not in Houston, we do send out a lot of parts to you guys. So if you guys have a Jeep, you need to color match the exact color of your vehicle. So that one's gonna be black. So they're gonna have a full set of those instead of like the ugly textured look to it. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is one of the fender flares that we did a conversion on. So you guys can see the original fender flares on your Jeep comes in this textured look. And what happens to this one is like with the sun, it deteriorates the color and it actually like starts fading. And if you guys want that to be resolved, you buy this. So it's already painted to color match your car and it lasts forever. And we also got your fender flares for your Tacomas. A Tesla fender, if you guys have a Tesla and you get in an accident, you don't have to take it to a body shop. You can actually buy it from us, and it's OEM direct from Tesla, so it's not aftermarket or anything like that. Direct fit. And we got a bunch of parts leaving. Everything with a yellow sticker on it is going to be shipping out today. And then we do have some bumpers we want to denib, so it's like little imperfections on there. We want to make it look perfect for you guys, so we do that extra step of setting it down and then buffing it out. A lot of you guys have questions about this big mural thing. In another episode, I'll tell you guys why we have that big waterfall in our warehouse. It's a brake caliper that we're color matching the customer's vehicle, so stay tuned and see what that looks like. And some more hoods that we'll be painting for our customers, and we're shipping out all around the nation. So if you guys need any hoods for your vehicle, hit us up. So right here we have some door handles. So a customer is going to convert their Tundra to color match their exact color of their vehicle, because the Tundras come with chrome door handles, and they also wanted some end caps to go along with that chrome delete look. And this is going to complete their set. It's going to be the back side of it, and I'll show you guys what color that is on the next episode. Alright guys, so follow us along tomorrow and see what we're doing here at ReveMoto. Thank you guys.